In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an 808 pattern, basically a hip hop drum pattern. I have a loop, and some live hats. I've already selected the drum patterns that I'm going to use, which is my 808. It's a common 808. So what I did to the 808 was I adjusted the envelope. There's a video I did about 808s and kicks. You can check that video. But I simply adjusted the envelope and put the hood all the way up. And what else did I do? Okay. And always make sure your 808 is in the right key for you to do that. I also have a video, but hey, we're just gonna do it quickly here. Okay, so the 808 is already in key. So yeah, let's get on with making the 808. So tricks on how to get a perfect 808 is to match it with the melody, and you can do this by going all the way up 2 octaves. So I'm going to go up. The melody is already in G hash, G sharp. So okay. So now we can create our 808. Okay, that kind of makes sounds good. So I'm gonna take it down an octave, but before I take it down an octave, I want to like lengthen all the notes. By doing that, I'm going to press Ctrl L, and I'm going to up an octave some notes like this note and this note. Oops. I'm gonna take everything down an octave. Going to name that drums. And now we can make our drum pattern. So for the drum pattern, well, yeah, I'll start with the kick. Work. Yeah, so we have our drum pattern now. So let's so now you can add variations to your 808, like slides, and if you want to add slides, you can add slides. right now they're hitting, but you can get a much better sound if you know the polarity of your kick and 808. So you can experiment, try something new like reverse polarity over here. I talk about this in a different video. I've done a tutorial about this, so if you haven't checked out that tutorial, well, missing out. So I turn this on. It sounds much better. It's heating even before the mixing. If you have your sounds hitting hard before the mixing, then you know you're good to go. You won't have too much to do in the mixing. Yeah, so you make sure your 808 is in the right key, like I just did there. Your melody is also in the right key, and you find good quality sounding drum kits, and you're good to go. You're able to make fire beats. So yeah, if you want me to make more tutorials on how to make hard hitting hip hop instrumentals, you can comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button and to get notified, and I'll see you in the next one.